Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to create a Douyin account. First, go to your web browser. Here, search for Douyin app. You'll find the website up to down. Tap to open it. Tap on the latest version. Then tap on Download. Tap on the three dots on your top right. Go to Downloads. Here, you'll find your downloaded file. Now go to your home screen. You'll find this app. Tap to open it. You need to accept its terms and conditions. Tap on the plus icon from the bottom. Here, you need to log in using your phone number. As you can see, information is in the Chinese language. You can use any translation app to understand it or simply tap on the red button. After that, you just need to put in your information. That's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.